YouTube, welcome back. Today we are going to be checking out how I won a trade and lost a trade. Overall, went break even on the day. I know here this was trade number 9 and 10 in my journal. And so you can see that I lost 1R and then I won 1.5R. I lost a little more on the first trade just because I'm still figuring out the calculations when it comes to trading on a prop firm. Futures are a little different than the Forex market I'm used to. I know if you use some brokers, they automatically calculate lot sizes, but on prop firms and futures, they don't. So you have to calculate the contract size that you use. And my first contract was closer to $750. Um, and obviously, I lost 750. And then by trade number two, I figured out the contract size, risked 500, and then I won 750. So that puts me at break even on the day. Now I know the contract size, so that's something I'm definitely going to learn. But yeah, let's get into the trade and check it out. So this was live, as you can see, coming into 9 p.m. This was kind of my analysis, looking through 30-minute zones, hourly zones, daily zones. And here at the beginning, the DXY I use as a correlation, and it gapped pretty far down. Here you can see my analysis on what I was looking at. So I was looking for a continuation of the downtrend that we were in at the moment. Um, but later on, I switched to buys just because the sell bias didn't look too strong after this level. Obviously, you can see yesterday we had a huge bullish move. So I was looking bullish off of this move. Um, could look sells if this 4 hour ended up closing below the previous one, but it didn't. So we took out highs, didn't take out lows. So we're continuing to look up. I know it's not the prettiest, but we still are slowly in an uptrend. Here you can see DXY is starting to make an uptrend, and this is where I made the first mistake of entering my initial long position. I thought there'd be a little more volume. As you can see, I'm checking out DXY, starting to move bearish, which is good. Overall, gold just continued to melt. And so I wasn't too mad about it. Sloppy entry, check out my journal. I mean, that was the first thing I said was jump the gun, sloppy entry, pullback in a downtrend, stupid trade, lost more than I was calculating, we'll learn. So it's exactly what I was saying. And so we go back. Now that we swept lows and we're nearing the 15-minute zone in this hourly candle, now would be a good time to start looking for buys. As you can see, made a leg lower, came up, made a lower low. I'm looking for this lower high to be broken, so I am just sitting, waiting, scratching my head in the lower corner. I don't know if you can see that. Sitting over here, bored. Obviously, it's not exciting when you're not in a trade, so that's something I'm still learning is not getting in too early like I did on my first entry. I lost. I should have lost. I'm glad I lost. So I don't continue to make those same mistakes. So here you can see I'm setting up the position that I'm going to take. We took lows. If we can push really aggressively to the upside, then I would be looking to enter this trade. And as you can see in a couple seconds, the initial 15 was bearish, but kind of rejecting off of a really big support zone on the overall time frame. Flip bearish, so I'm just looking for a little pullback of the initial bearish move. As you can see here, we had price push up, and then come down and break this level. So I'm looking for it to pull back and retest this previous level in the middle of this downtrend. So definitely wouldn't hold on to this one super long, but yeah, overall, great second trade. I'm going to throw in a time lapse of this trade and how I managed it live, just trying to work on holding my trades and following my strategy while in a trade.